Hello, small engine enthusiasts. St. Paul Steam here with a M91 Microcosm hit and miss engine. And I got this 3 months ago. And I just got the parts back from the nickel platers and haven't even fired it up until just a little bit ago. And you can see she's got a nickel plated treatment. The gas tank, all the plumbing, the radiator. All have been professionally nickel plated, cleaned, polished again a couple more times to make it really gleam, and she does. I'll fire it up here in a minute. I want to get it while it still looks really nice and pretty, but I really think the nickel plating and all the plumbing really made it pop. As it should be, I think. Okay, I'm going to fire it up, see if I can't get it to go first or second. Flip. There we go. She likes to jump around a bit. And we'll pause it and take a little closer look. Okay. Plate of the exhaust muffler too. Well, thanks for looking, folks. Happy steaming. Annual gas engine running. St. Paul Steam saying goodbye now.